Hey Bill, can you update my laptop and desktop to Windows 11 remotely? Thank you. First off, I would need you to make sure you have a written down or stored somewhere safely all of your usernames and passwords for all of the websites that you go to, because although this normally works, sometimes it doesn't. Then obviously I need to do maintenance on your computer and I want to do a backup to make sure those are all taken care of. I want to make sure all of your Windows updates are in. Equally, before we even begin this whole process, I need you to understand that there are some programs in Windows 10 that are carried over from the days of Windows 7 that are not going to work in Windows 11. So we'll have to find adequate replacements for those softwares that stop. Oh, and I should mention that you should check your hard drive health too to make sure it's going to go through this process because this is abusive. And lastly, I need you to have a cell phone that can send picture messages because when your computer goes offline and I can't see it remotely, you're going to have to send me pictures of stuff that it's going to prompt you for questions, and I need to see the screen to tell you exactly what to click and do next. This is not going to be a easy, short, simple process. You're going to have to be involved. And while all this is going on, I'm going to send you two files, one to force the Windows 11 update, and then the other one is going to be an older version of Windows 11 itself because, well, the cheat code works. All right, so all the maintenance is done, all the updates are done. We're going to do the prep work here. Well, it's going to fail because I didn't do it as an administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Yes, we'll let that run. And that's going to take a while. We're going to do auto upgrade. As you can see, it's downloading the current version of Windows 11, but I have the old version on there just in case I have to do it the old-fashioned way. And there it goes installing Windows 11, and it says it's going to restart several times, and that's when I will lose connection. And there I am losing connection. Well, this was clearly successful. I had to log in, and it's doing the last-minute setup. Once you're back to your desktop, though, I would need you to restart UltraViewer for me to remote in to check it. As you can see, it was successful. And there it is, fully loaded up. So this is my virtual machine that's on my web server, and so it is perfectly running well, and it's running on Windows 11. As you can see in this particular instance, if you looked at the virtual machine in the beginning, it was 5 o'clock in the morning. It is now like 8:30, so about 3 hours, 3.5 hours to do that whole process.